The first thing to do is to attach the wire into the red clip wire. So i-twist nato siya para masulod siya sa small hole of the clip. And then let's adjust the bolt. And now let's do the same process with the black clip wire. The next thing to do is to loosen the bolt of the bulb. And then let's attach the wire in it. And then do the same with the other bolts in the bulbs. All you have to do in this process is to loosen the bolt, twist the wire, and then attach it. Tapos, iguot dayon nato ang bolt using the star screw. Next is to attach the wire into the holes in the switch. And now let's clip the two clip wires into the battery. Switch it on and then tada! Isiga siya. And now let's try to put the bulb individually. Let's see if masiga ba siya if walay bulb ang umbang bulb sockets. First, let's try one bulb only. Switch it on. Oh no, wala siya nasiga. And kung two bulbs, masiga ba? Wala. Let's try na tulo ka bulbs. Put the bulb on the sockets. Switch it on and then charan! Perfect! Masiga siya. Therefore, if we will remove one of the bulbs, walay musiga nila. But if naay bulb tanan sockets, then musiga sila tanan. That's it. Series circuit.
Hi everyone! Come and join me learn on how to build a parallel series.
First, we need to assemble the wired clips. We need to have these wired clips for us to easily connect the wires to the battery. And also, these wired clips will keep us safe from electric shocks. In these connecting wires, I cut a little rubber that surrounds the copper so that we can reveal a little part of the copper that we will use in the bulb socket. Now, we will connect the wired clips to the switch. And also these connecting wires to the switch. And now, we will attach these connecting wires to the bulb socket with the help of the screw, from the first socket to the rest of the sockets. And the same goes to the other connecting wires on the other side of the bulb socket. And now, our parallel series is now complete. Let's now try if this circuit will work. Let's put one bulb on the circuit. And now, two bulbs. And lastly, let's complete the three bulbs. And now, let's unscrew one bulb to the circuit.
In this video, we will gonna perform the circuit C, in which we will know what will happen if to the bulb when we put capacitors in series and the total capacitance of our capacitors connected in series. The thing we must do is we need to attach the end of the wire to the bulb by wrapping it around the metal at the bottom of the bulb. So we will gonna use the alligator clips in order to easily connect the wires to the battery. After attaching the wires to the battery, we can now light the bulb. So as you can see, the bulb was lightened up using the battery. The next thing we will do is to input the capacitors. So in putting the capacitors to the wire, we need to cut the wires to insert the capacitor. So we must spin the wires in order to connect the tip of the wire to the terminal of the capacitor.
We must know that in connecting the capacitors to the battery, we should look for the positive side of the capacitor to connect it to the positive side of the battery. So after we connect the first capacitor, let us cut the wire and put the another capacitor in it. Insert the another capacitor. Since we are going to make a series circuit of capacitors, same as the procedure we make in inputting or inserting the capacitor. So we have to skin the wire to connect the capacitor, and will make it possible to
light up the bulb.
So we are now done inserting the two capacitors. So let us connect the capacitors to the battery, and let's see if it will help light the bulb. First, we must charge the capacitor to the battery in order to be effective.
So as we can see, the bulb lights up in a short period of time. So what is the total capacitance of two capacitors connected in series? So we have 4,700 microfarad used and 2,200 microfarad. So in order to get the total capacitance of capacitor, we must take the reciprocal of the capacitance of each capacitor and then adding this together to give the reciprocal of the total capacitance. So we have 1 over 4,700 microfarad plus 1 over 2,200 microfarad to the power of -1. So the first thing is we need to convert the microfarad into farad. So we have 0.0047 plus 1 over 0.0022 to the power of -1. So to sum up the given numbers, we have 0.001 farad. I am not able to gaya what's in the material since there are no available items same as indicated in the documents. From what we saw earlier in this video, the bulb blinks very quickly when we put the capacitor in series. So when one places a capacitor in a circuit containing a light bulb and a battery, the capacitor will initially charge up, and as this charging up is happening, there will be a non-zero current in the circuit. So the light bulb will light up. This is when the light bulb will dim and then fizzle out.